Hey everybody, I wanted to hop on here and do a review of my shop lights that I picked up. These are the Barrina 4-foot LED shop lights. I have been super impressed with them because not only do they put out high quality light and light up my 24 by 20 foot garage just the way that I want it, they also have different ways that they can connect and install. And in this video, I want to show you the light itself, some of the connections, as well as the ease of installation of these lights. So this is the light. It's just 4 foot. It's nice and light. It's aluminum, and also too, the shield is plastic, but I haven't had any issue with that. I do like how light they are. They can be installed very easily. The LED strip in there, as well as each end has a connection, so that way you can continue the chain of lights and you don't have to worry about how you're going to wire them. I also like that the LED strips, there's 2 of them per light, and they're actually V-shaped to help with the diffusing of the light. So the options that come with these lights is one of these connections, which is actually 4 feet long, and you can connect from one light to the other and continue the circuit with that, and that's how I have my lights installed. Or you can also connect them one to the other right here with this connector. That's how I have these two connected. See, they're right up against each other. Or these ones I have connected with that 4-foot wire, and I didn't want to space them out that far, so I just wrapped it up and hung it up there. And then for connecting it to the power, you can even hardwire these into a box, or what I did is I have outlets in the ceiling that are attached to my light switch, so that way I can plug this right into the light. I keep this on, and then I run it through the light switch at the entrance door. But you could also plug these in and then control them individually if you would like to do so. This piece right here is just an end cap for the end. If you have a light that isn't plugged in on the end, you can put that right in there so it doesn't get dusty. And then installation is a breeze. It's 1 screw in this bracket right here. I use 2 of these per light, and they just clip right on there. So you find out where you're going to put your light, you screw this bracket into the stud, and then you just snap the light right onto it for the installation.